I'm always looking for new workout clothes, and Kimmery sent me these 2 tops to try for a review. So one of them is the asymmetrical hem and the other one is the crisscross back. These are extra larges and I'm a pretty solid size 14 and I'm 5'3", so I'm gonna try them both on and you can see what you think. Okay, so this is a crisscross back. I'm gonna step back so you can see what you think. I really like the weight and the fit of this. I think though I would have gotten an extra large, so these might run a little small. So let me try on the asymmetrical hem and we'll see how that one works. Okay, so this is the asymmetrical hem. This one I really love. I love the other one too, but the sizing was a little off. This one is extra large and I think it's just working out great. It's got enough fit in the hips. And that little asymmetrical detail is really fun. If you're looking for some new workout tops, I highly recommend this brand. It's good quality material, nice and stretchy, feels really breathable. Just if you're gonna get the crisscross back, just size up one, because that's what I would do. So I hope you enjoy.